everyone, welcome to Toddler Tuesdays. Well, today we are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. And how are we going to do that? We're going to do that by teaching our children a unique recipe of these yummy, delicious, healthy muffins that they can actually make for their teachers. So today I'm making apple rosemary muffins. Well, I know this sounds unique, but the flavor is so delightful and it's so different, and that is what the children are going to appreciate because it's not the usual apple muffins. So for these muffins, apple and rosemary will get combined. First I'm going to cook that out and then I'm going to add them to my muffin batter. So along with the cut apples, I've added a tablespoon of butter and I'm going to let this cook together. And then I'm also going to add a tablespoon of sugar. Now this is the only place where white sugar goes into this recipe. Otherwise, it's only healthy jaggery. Okay, now यहाँ पे चीनी इसलिए डाली है because it will help the apples to cook out and become soft and gooey. And now in comes our magic ingredient. तो अगर आपको rosemary ना मिले, do not stress because आप इसमें cinnamon भी डाल सकते हैं, just थोड़ा सा vanilla डाल सकते हैं. You don't have to worry about it. लेकिन अगर fresh rosemary मिल जाए, trust me, this combination is absolutely divine. Already इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. You know, मेरे अगस्त्य को तो apples बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. तो जब मैंने उसे इस rosemary के साथ combine करके muffins खिलाए, he just couldn't figure out कि इसमें apples पड़े थे. Trust me, this is a fabulous foolproof combination, so don't forget to try it. Okay, so इसे पकने देते हैं. It's going to take a little time to soften up. तब तक let's get ready with the batter. एक bowl में हम डालेंगे अपना jaggery powder. उसे थोड़ा सा आप mash कर लीजिए because jaggery tends to get clumpy. तो इसे एक whisk के help से थोड़ा सा break down कर लीजिए. अब इसमें I'm going to add some cooking oil. You can use olive oil, which is what I have used. Okay, now I'm going to add curd to this. And again whisk it well. Okay, and now we're going to move this on the side and then get on with the dry ingredients. A little bit of salt to this, some baking soda and baking powder. Just going to mix it well. Now we're going to start adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. बीच बीच में इसे हल्का सा whisk कर लेंगे, पर इसे हमें बहुत स्मूथ बैटर नहीं बनाना है. जब मफिन्स बना रहे हो, जितना लंपी हो बैटर नहीं अच्छा होता है. So just going to mix till it's combined. Now we're going to check our apples. They are nicely done. अब इसे हम बंद कर देंगे and we're going to allow it to cool down a little bit before we add it to our batter. Alright, तो अब ये जो apples हैं ये ठंडे हो गए हैं. Okay, so let's add this to our muffin batter and just mix it in. Ooh, already looking beautiful. Now, with the help of an ice cream scoop, we are going to fill our muffin liners. And we are going to top it up with some sliced almonds for that extra crunch and of course flavor and health. After all, teachers को बच्चों को handle करना होता है. Imagine the task they have at hand. Let's fill the rest of the muffin molds. Just use, आप एक spoon भी use कर सकते हैं if you don't have or want to use a scoop. Alright, so this is done and now it's time to bake at 175 degrees centigrade for about 15 to 18 minutes. Alright, and our muffins are ready. They are smelling beautiful and I think they are looking stunning, aren't they? बस इसे थोड़ी देर ठंडा होने देंगे and then I'm going to show you a beautiful way of presenting it so that you make your teachers truly happy. Now we take a ribbon. Just tie a beautiful little bow here. Well, I'm not that great at art and craft, so mine may not be that beautiful, but yours surely can be. Now tell me honestly, won't teachers absolutely love these muffins? I promise you they will. And while you're at it, don't forget to make many extras because you won't be able to resist them either. So do make these. take pictures and tag me in them. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to Amrita Raichand, Chef and Beyond. See you soon. Happy Teachers Day.